Hi, today I'll show you how to create password-protected and internal documentation with EazyDocs. First, click on the visibility icon and select the password-protected option. Enter your password and click Update. This will automatically create a new password-protected documentation, which we can check in incognito mode to see the content being locked behind a password-protected system. Now let's create an internal documentation. EazyDocs offers a unique feature that allows admins to control who can view their internal documentation and redirect page that will be shown if user access is restricted. The process is similar and automatic. First, click on the visibility icon, click the private option and hit Update. This will automatically switch the privacy option of this file, making it an internal doc. To verify that this doc is now restricted to visitors, open it in a new incognito tab. I hope you found this helpful. For more on EazyDocs, visit our channel.